Good afternoon everyone, Ip Malik and my new video are with you again. From this video you will learn how to change the interface language on the Windows 11 operating system. For example, I will show how to change English to Spanish. We press Start. We choose Settings. Open the tab, Time and Language. Now open Language and Region. Now I have English. If you have other languages in the list, you can select the required language from the list. Only English is available for me at the moment. To get an additional language, select Add a language. Here you can find the language you need. Pay attention to the icons located opposite each language. The first icon is the display language. The second icon indicates text-to-speech. The third is speech recognition and speech-to-text. The fourth icon is the handwriting function. That is, it shows what features in Windows 11 are provided for each of these languages. The list of languages is quite large, and it will be much more convenient to enter the language you need here, in the search. This list has several Spanish language options for different countries. I need to find Spanish for Spain. When you find the language you need, click on it. Then click Next. And the language pack will download to your computer. My Spanish has loaded, and now I can start installing it on Windows. In order for Explorer and settings to be displayed in the language we need in our Windows, we need to check the box here. Install. Wait for the language installation to complete. This may take a few minutes. The installation process for the new language is now complete, and to choose to display the display in one of two different languages, you must click here and select the language you need. I have selected Spanish, and to display the display in Spanish, I need to log out. Click here. Now the PIN code. And Windows is opened. I press Start. I choose Settings. And here we see that everything is displayed in Spanish for me. I hope that the process went well for you too. The language pack was installed, but some system elements may not be translated into the new language, and if you need Windows completely in another language, then you will have to completely reinstall Windows with the required language. I hope what I have just told you helped you, and if you found it useful, please share my video with anyone. Write me a comment, I will answer your questions and try to help you. Thank you very much for watching my video. Good luck!